Namaskar, I'm Dr. Madhu Gupta, Head of the Hindi Department, MH Jaipur. Today I will share some advanced English structures with you which are very helpful in our spoken English. So without wasting any time, here we go. Listen carefully and try to use these expressions in your daily conversation. Today's first advanced English structure is spill the beans. Actually, it is an idiom which has figurative meaning, that is, to tell a person something that should be secret. I am going to explain this expression with following examples. First is, why did you spill the beans about me? You should have kept it up to you. Second is, please keep your promise. Don't spill the beans to anyone about this secret plan. And third one is, he was afraid that she would spill the beans in front of his family. Hope you got it. Then come to the second. The second advanced English structure is at the behest of. It is widely used in spoken and written English, and meaning is because of being asked or ordered by someone. Some examples are, a special meeting will be held at the behest of President. Next, I am going to represent in this conference at the behest of my principal. And third one is, did you participate in this debate at the behest of your teachers? I believe you are getting me. Then come to the next. Next structure is without a second thought. It is very easy but very useful expression. So we can use it in our daily conversation. The meaning is acting immediately or done quickly. I would like to explain this expression with these examples. Without a second thought, I ran after the thief. Next is, she spent all the money to purchase that dress without a second thought. And third one is, they accepted my proposal without a second thought because they are in hurry to start a new start. These expressions, phrases, and idioms are very useful in spoken English. With the help of this expression, we can speak English more confidently. So go ahead. Friends, my fourth expression is my way or the highway. It is also an interesting idiom which means uncompromising attitude. Let's see the examples. Don't you know? It is my office. Here is my way or the highway. Second is, my boss is very rigid. So why are you trying to negotiate with him? It's his way or the highway. And third one is, I don't like that job because there is boss's way or the highway. This expression is a little bit bossy expression. When you use it, be careful. My next expression is second to none. Yes, my fifth expression is second to none, which means better than all other. Examples are, why are you bothering? You are looking second to none in this party. Second example is, now I am second to none in my English spoken class after regular practicing. And third one is, His talent was second to none, so he has got the job in this company. This expression is my favorite expression. Last but not the least, expression is all along. This expression is commonly used. Meaning is from the, and I would like to give some examples how to use these expression in the sentences. My first sentence is, did you want to become a teacher all along? Second sentence is, I knew you were joking all along. And third one is, I think she had been planning to join politics all along. So, friends, these are some advanced English structures, but there are so many English structures, phrases, and idioms in English. It not only enhance our fluency but enrich our language also. So we should use daily conversation and improve our English spoken skills. At last, I request to all of you, after watching this video, please correct and guide me because I am a newbie in this field. Thank you. Thank you so much.